Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro. A lot of you probably don't know this, but I've done a lot of woodworking in my life. I've made pens out of wood, small bowls, cups, all sorts of things out of raw wood. Quality wood when I see it, when I touch it, which is why I'm really excited to kind of give you an overview of our new ash wood tabletops here. The RP number for this wood tabletop is DTL-30XX-ASH. So what makes this tabletop so special? So this is actual solid wood through and through. It's not some laminate or thin sheet of wood or anything like that. It's glued to a piece of plywood or some other cheap material. It's solid hardwood. That's also given a really nice clear coat finish that helps protect it and also really helps to bring out the natural grain patterns of the wood, which in my opinion looks really beautiful. The table is also kind of given these rounded edges here, which is really nice, not just for aesthetics but for comfort as well. So when you rest your arms against the table, you won't have a sharp corner cutting into your arms or your wrists or however you get comfortable on it. The grain of the ash hardwood also helps to make sure that every tabletop is completely unique. No two tables will be alike. And whatever table you get from this, the pattern in it is going to be completely one of a kind to you. So it's really good for people who want something that is really unique. The sturdy table skirting here, which is also made from the same ash hardwood, that acts to prevent the table from twisting or warping over time, so your tables stay nice and straight and even for years and years to come. This ash wood tabletop is available lengths from 36 inches long to 44 inches long with an optional folding table leg system available. It's really nice, really unique, and I really love the wood grain patterns on it. If you like this video and you want to know more, click the like button. And if you want to see more of what we have to offer in the future, remember to hit the subscribe button. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.